In this video, I'll show you how to use Robinhood Crypto on a PC browser so you can manage your cryptocurrency portfolio from your computer instead of the mobile app. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Robinhood website. Once the page loads, click on the login button and enter your account details to access your account. Robinhood may ask you to complete a verification step, such as entering a code sent to your phone or email, before continuing. After logging in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard where you can view your portfolio balance, watch lists, and market activity. To access cryptocurrency trading, use the search bar at the top of the screen and type the name of the cryptocurrency you want to view, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Click on the crypto asset to open its market page. On this page, you can view live price charts, recent market performance, and trading information. If you want to buy cryptocurrency, click the buy button and enter the amount you want to invest. You can also choose different order types, such as market orders or limit orders, depending on how you want the trade to execute. After reviewing the order details, confirm the trade to complete your purchase. You can also sell crypto, monitor your portfolio performance, review transaction history, and manage crypto transfers directly from the browser version of Robinhood. If certain crypto features are missing, make sure your account has crypto trading enabled and that you are using the latest version of your browser. For security, always log out after using Robinhood on a shared computer and keep two-factor authentication enabled on your account. And that's how you can use Robinhood Crypto on a PC browser. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple app tutorials.